In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background and theme colors on your website using the editor. Whether you're looking to give your site a fresh new look or just want to experiment with color schemes, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Let's dive in and add some color to your creative vision. To begin, ensure you're in your website editor. Once you're there, move your attention to the left side of your screen and locate the Site Design option. Clicking on this will open a menu with various customization options. Now go ahead and click on Page Background. This is where we can start playing with the background options for your pages. Within the page background settings, you'll find several options to choose from. Select the Color option to begin customizing the background color. Here, you can choose a color from your site's theme colors. These are the handy pre-selected colors that keep your design consistent. Or you can opt for an adventurous route and select a brand new color that suits your style or branding. If you decide that you want to apply this new background color to all the pages on your site uniformly, look for the option to apply the background color to all pages and simply check that box. This step is optional, but it can save you a lot of time if you're planning to maintain a consistent look across your site. Next, decide which section of your site you want to modify and click on it. Then you'll notice an option that says Change Background. Select this and you'll see options to choose a new background color, gradient, or even an image if you prefer something more visual. You're not just limited to flat colors. You can also bring in some depth with a gradient or personalize with an image that reflects your site's aesthetic. If you feel like the color isn't quite right, you have the flexibility to adjust the opacity of the color, making it more or less transparent according to your needs. Plus, if you want something completely unique, you can add a custom color of your choice. Now, let's shift gears a bit. Go back to the Site Design menu on the left side of your editor. This time, we're going to modify your site's overall theme. Click Change Theme under Site Theme. You'll find a range of theme presets available. Go ahead and browse through these until you find one that resonates with your vision for the site. Even after selecting a theme preset, you have the ability to make further customizations. By clicking on any color in the settings panel, you can choose new shades that better fit your branding or personal taste. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to transforming your website's background and theme into a true reflection of your style and brand. Happy designing!